admitted.
It was not my duty to examine the candidates that were to go for NDA. My son stabilized. He had been taken to this hospital before he entered NDA to this Professor Nwambebe, and he stabilized. There was no problem. Then, later on, he was in his 4th year when I was arrested. It was that period that he was subjected to injections and other things when I was in detention. It was the same period also my son, who was in NMS, was to be kidnapped. It was also the same period when another son of mine in the Nigerian military school, the commandant was told to find fault with him so that he can withdraw him. It was also the same period. You are now touching on the sensitivity of my family. I have to...
Hold on, just one moment. Counsel, please. For what it is worth, could we change the line of...
Well, my lord, sir, I had to go into that because...
I know,
General, there is a direct accusation on my
client.
No,
okay, hold on.
You brought it.
He granted an interview. Where he made all these allegations against my client.
Let me just say, you know, you've conducted. Let's keep the aspect. Let's keep the dignity and decorum that goes with this. As long as it is, we're dealing with somebody that is not immediately here. It might just distract from the essence of the discussion. Please.
I'm much guided, my lord. Much guided. Let me take you back on the 1995 coup.
Yes.
How did you pass the videotape to President Olusegun Obasanjo?
I have said it several times. I have said it, that I passed the message to him. How I did it is entirely left for me.
Yes. Now, did you receive any response from the president concerning the message of the tape?
Yes, he got it.
He got it?
Yes.
Did he send you any feedback concerning, after receiving it, did he?
If he hadn't received it, when I granted my interview and I testified that I sent the message, he would have raised observation.
Yes. You will agree with me that having sent such a tape to tell President Obasanjo, about those who spoke loudest on the fact that the law must take its course, I will be correct to say that what you are doing, that is the continuous attack on the person of General Bamaiyi, is in consonance with the response you got from Mr. President.
Not at all. The videotapes were rendered. In that videotape, it wasn't only General Bamaiyi that was loudest in the distance.
Yes.
And I said it here.
Would you have acted contrary to the response of the president if you had received any response at all?
That is hypothetical. Since it didn't happen, I don't know where you are heading to.
I'm asking you.
It's hypothetical.
As a loyal citizen who saw something about the person of the president, who was generous enough to have taken it to him, if you had received any response, would it have been contrary to that particular response, your own conduct?
I haven't received any response directly, as I said.
Well, I'm putting it to you that your continuous attack on the person of General Bamaiyi is in consonance with the response you received from the president.
Not at all. Not at all. I disagree with you totally.
Well, my lord, I would, like I said, stop here. I have to go and tidy up my end because my client has been in prison. I need to get more documents.
Do you have further questions to ask?
Pardon, my lord?
Do you have further questions?
Yes, my lord.
Now, how do you get the materials?
Well, my lord, I intend to, barring any adjournment that would necessitate my presence here tomorrow, I intend to at least travel by tomorrow, sir.
or we want to get the facts tomorrow. What have you got tomorrow? Is he appearing?
My Lord, at this juncture, I want to make...
Which one is that? I see.
My Lord...
Have you got a junior? Just let's finish with counsel. Have you got a junior? If he's not going to cross-examine tomorrow, that if you're not going to cross-examine tomorrow...
My Lord, sir, I am not on retainership, and neither am I being paid for this case.
We have no junior.
My client happens to be my uncle, and I have been the person doing this matter. I am seized of the facts of this case. It is only prudent that I continue with the prosecution,
So
or rather the defense of this matter.
Do you have tomorrow that he's appearing?
It's Yomi Tukoya's case, Chief Yomi Tukoya.
How many cases have you got tomorrow? Will that go on tomorrow?
Definitely, it's going on. Chief Yomi Tukoya.
How many cases? Is it definitely? If you have 10, now you definitely this is going on. How many cases tomorrow?
Hello, we have about 8. Yes, my Lord.
Well, if we do 7 and that one,
I have to go.
Are they all new cases or part-hard cases?
Part-hard. We have
all
the
of them.
Ashekwa's case is coming up tomorrow.
All of them?
Yes.
Well, yes, let's hear what you are going to say.
Yes, my Lord, I want to observe most respectfully that my signature had been collected. A sample of my writing has been collected, and there is insistence to go to find more facts. And I hope, and I do sincerely hope, very seriously, that there hasn't been any diskette now that has been printed to carry signatures and so on and so forth. That is my candid observation.
My Lord, sir, let me just allay the fears of the witness. The purpose of asking him to write and also have his signature, sample signature, there is a writing on the diskette. At the time when it is necessary to verify whether they belong to the witness or not, there perhaps might be a need for this commission to order for the report of an expert. Yes. That is just the reason, sir.
That is perfect with me,
yes.
Honestly. Thank you.
So, do we say next tomorrow will be available? I want to finish this aspect of the case.
Wednesday, yes.
Next tomorrow?
Wednesday, yes, my Lord.
Wednesday, all right. We'll adjourn this on Wednesday then. This case will continue then on Wednesday, the 11th. At the end of the list, commission will now rise.
Can we rise for the members of the commission, please?